So hey guys, are you ready for mandal art? So now you need this protractor. Generally locate the middle point अंदाजे. So यहाँ पे रख के हम start करेंगे circles निकालना. ओके थोड़े थोड़े डिस्टेंस पे मिडिल पॉइंट को चेंज नहीं करेंगे आप. थोड़े थोड़े डिस्टेंस पे आपको जितने सर्कल्स बना सके. अगर मुझे क्योंकि मुझे इजी नहीं लग रहा है ये, तो मैं ये सिर्फ पैड घुमा रही हूँ तो ये जल्दी हो रहा है. So I'm just doing it. Actually, that's not the right way, but that's fine. हमें सर्कल आने से मतलब है. Okay. हम सिर्फ पहले पेंसिल से सर्कल्स निकालेंगे. Because what happens and why this mandal? Okay, in Buddhism, basically, there are different, you can say, symbols. Okay, symbols for representing their worship, or they worship Buddha, so representing their you can say bhakti. They make this kind of offering to Lord Buddha. So this is kind of designs. These are the kind of designs which they make. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is actually see it becomes very much complex. So for symmetry, I'm just going to take this pencil again. Then I'm going to divide this circle in 8 equal parts. Okay, guys, I know this is kind of a bit technical and you might find it boring, but it is the best of the meditation technique which is available. You know, sometimes ऐसे हो जाता है कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं होता and हमें कुछ तो करना होता है because otherwise we won't be able to be out of that situation or that mindset. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you out of this 8 parts, I'm going to show you in some one part. Okay, and you're going to complete this mandala later on. Okay, and I'll show you what to do else. Okay, now I have told you that you will need a black sketch pen, you will need a black pen. If you have a gel pen, that's a great thing. If you don't have, you can use a black marker pen as well. So I'm having like a few varieties in front of me. I'm showing you that. I have this ball pen. I have this art line fine liner marker. Then I have this cello permanent CD marker. And I have this whiteboard marker. So you can use any if you want. Okay? But usse bhi pehle, what we are going to do is, I'm going to show you something very interesting. I'll show you what are the basic types and what are the filling types. What happens is like this mandala has to be symmetrical. Okay, so it is very very easy to draw, and it looks very magnificent as well. But we need to go through the basic types. So I'm going to show you what are the basic types of it. So let's change the canvas and go ahead with the basic types. Okay, so I have few things around me. So I'm just going to show you how they look. Okay, so I'll just draw a line and you will understand the thickness. Okay, it's not working. I need another pen. Okay, why we are using gel pen is because it's easy flow and it's you can say very much easy to draw. Now I'll tell you about few shapes. Okay, so what are the shapes of it? We have to understand that first. Okay, we are going to see the shapes. So I'll show you few shapes. Okay, now this is the marker pen. Okay, I'll use the outline and okay, marker is better because it will be visible to you all. Okay, no, let me use this white marker so it will be broad and extremely visible to you all people. So now there is dot and circle pattern. Okay, dot circle. Then there is you can say lines patterns. You are going to draw this, okay? Fast, fast, fast with me. Dot and circle. This is line. These are petals. Okay. Now, if I have to draw lamba lamba petals, I can draw lamba lamba petals and I can name it as a long petal. Okay, this is normal petal. This is long petal. Okay, then we can show, okay, I can show you is like line with dots and dots and dots and dots. Okay, then we have chakli, my favorite, like spiral. Okay, like line and dot. This is spiral. Okay, I'm forgetting something. Okay, no, triangles, triangles. Okay, okay, this is triangle, 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 triangle. Okay, I can just give a dot, dot if I need to. Dot here, 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 here. I can give dots anywhere. So it's a triangle pattern. Then, okay. Then there is this kind of, lotus petals. Okay, these are the lotus petals. Okay, now this is the format or this is the shape which we are going to fill up here. Okay, so before that what we are going to need is like if suppose this is like long petal, so agar ekdam long petal nikalenge to achhi dikhegi, but if suppose you make this long petal big, okay, will it look blank good? No, right? So what we are going to make it like, we are going to put in one more petal inside and this dark petal inside, so it will give you another complicated look. And you have to mix match with this shapes. Okay, you are free, like you are free to do anything you want, but this shapes are the basic of mandala. Okay, or mandal painting. So how is it, like let us assume this is the lotus petal, right? So if suppose I have to fill up the lotus petal, I can go in with this pattern as well. See, like this and again this, and I fill it up. Okay, or I can mix match the line, dot, and again the next pattern. Okay, like this, or simply without this also I can give this spiral here, or I can give a spiral in between, or I can do go for like a dot and a line and a dot and a line. So you need to understand and you need to make the composition of mandal. It is on your mindset. Okay, how you feel it, it's all like your creativity, your stuffs. So no foundations or nothing like that, or in this. Okay, so even you can if you want to just add up like leaf structure, you can say small leaf structure. Okay, you can add here in the triangles. Okay, 2 3 4, or a flower if you want to add, it doesn't matter, but just it will look good only. The black and white is the main thing out here, and we are going to just do it right now so you will understand it. Okay, this is the shape or petals. I'm going to keep it in front of me and then I'm going to draw it. Okay, so I'm going to draw maybe this petal. It is visible to you all, I think. So I'll draw this much part for you. Okay, because we don't have much time. Okay, so now start filling up whatever shape you want to find out. Okay, first you have to do it is like you have to give a middle wala thing. It's a center, right? So that is supposed to be, designated. So I'm giving a long petal out here. I'm filling it up. Okay, now I don't have a small circle out here, but it doesn't matter. Okay, I'll just make a small circle and I'll give this kind of small petal. Again, I'm making this circle. I'm giving this kind of small petal to it. Okay, now this is the border, or this is the circle which we have made. So we are going to give it a border line. Now where this darker pens, or you can say sketch pens, come in handy is you need to fill this sometimes, okay, so that it will give you a nice look. See, I'm just filling it this part. Okay, so I have filled this part, so it will look nice, because see, again, it's black and white, so contrast is very, very necessary, guys. So wherever there is white, there should be black to make it, uplifting, or make it, more visible or more dominant. Now I'm going for spirals, spirals, spirals. I'll go again one line spiral. I want to make spiral. I love spiral. I love chaklis. So my mom also makes lovely chaklis in Diwali. Okay. So okay. Again, I'm making the spiral, spiral. I covered this entire thing with spiral. Okay. You can fill any shape, any shape. There is no doubt, no foundations, no, and you can say no restrictions. Okay. So okay, now I'm going to go for the triangle pattern. I love triangles as well. I love bingo mat angles and triangles as snacks too. So just make sure that however symmetrical it can be, just make it symmetrical. I'm giving a small triangle again in between. Okay, this is very much stress buster. Okay guys, कुछ भी करना नहीं है ना, तब ये आप काम कर सकते हैं आराम से. You don't need to think anything. You just take up a pattern, fill it, fill it, fill it, fill it, fill it, and fill it whenever you want to. मैं ऐसे मंडल तैयार करके, like I just do it with the protractors. I just keep them ready. एंड वेन एवर आई एम जस्ट लाइक टायर्ड, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना है, तो ये भी मेरी एक बहुत अच्छी हॉबी है. मैं इसको फिलअप करते बैठती हूँ. इट्स वेरी डी स्ट्रेसिंग, यू कैन से. Okay, now this is done. I'll add one more line into it, so that this line you can extend it later, so that it makes a circle. And thoda sa upar niche gaya, तो don't worry. That's why actually you need to have the protractor. मेरा हाथ अभी बैठ गया है, तो whatever you want to do, you make sure that you make it with the circles first, and then you start doing it. Okay, so I'm going to fill it up like a dot, a big circle here, a big circle, a big circle, a big circle, and a big dot, which is dominant. Okay, now again, there is this line. I'll fill it up. Okay, I love lotus petals. Okay guys, I love lotus petals. So for lotus petals, I'll just show you more complicated one. Okay, यहाँ पे ये ऐसे डाल दिया. उसके बाजू में जैसे हम लोग स्कूल में लोटस निकालते हैं, राइट? Remember, just add 4 petals beside this. Okay, so it gives you that real lotus look. So I have started filling up this lotus by marker. So the just 3 petals are left. Finally, I'm filling them up. Okay, then okay, I'm going to just make a big lotus petal encompassing both of them. Okay. Okay, I can make this here also one ulta petal. I'll join it here later. Okay. Now I'm going ahead. Okay. Then now, okay, now you can go for, big petals, just like long petals, which we call. So you can go for such close but long petals. Actually, when you just mix and match, it doesn't just matter. Why I kept gave you this basic shapes is because this basic shapes of mandala have a different meaning. Okay, so in that also it is said that ki just dot is a stopping thing, a line is you can say infinite thing, and then the spiral shows them like janma mrityu ka chakra, etc, etc, etc. So let it be with the philosophy, we just don't mind it. So I'm just going to make one more petal inside. More fine it is, it will look more nice. Okay, I started using this marker pen actually. Was supposed to use gel pen or art line pen for this. That's fine. Okay. Now I'm just giving a line and a dot and a line and a dot and a line and a dot, line and a dot, line and a dot, line and a dot. Okay, you are free to use right now also any of these shapes, whichever you find simplified, just make it. Okay, now I'm going to use that dot, 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 and then I'm going to use the connecting line thing. Okay, later. First I'll do this all dots, dots. Okay, okay. Try to make it more symmetrical. I'm just doing it right now in hurry, but it's the work which you should do, aram se baith ke. It's that activity when you don't have to do anything, you don't have to rush anything, and you just keep on doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it. Okay, so now this is done. So inside also I will give one dot. I want to give one dot. What happens is, like, if you don't give small details, it won't look, or it won't get that effect of that mandala which you are expecting out. Okay, so once this is over, you will understand what am I saying about. So we are just going to make one more dark line out here, so that this is a boundary of ours. Okay, now what we are going to do out here is, I'm going to make just simplified small petals. When your concentration increases, guys, it will get more symmetrical. Okay, if your concentration is not there, you are in hurry, see, this thing happens. Going to give the more lines, big line, small line, big line, small line. I'll just draw first big lines in the intersection. And in between those two big lines, I'll apply a small line. I'll draw the small line. I know, guys, you might be feeling ye kya chal raha hai, but guys, this is going to help you once you're going to, grow up more. Okay, so it will give you more concentration. It will give you nice effects of doing work, sitting at one place and just scribbling anything, making your creativity more active. Your right brain will be more active, your left brain will start coordinating, and you can just go ahead with it. So now see, if suppose there was a circle, it would have been very easy for you to connect, but I'm just connecting it like this. Okay, right now at least. So now there, I want to make it more complicated to show you all, guys. So what I will do here is, I'm just going to use simplified thing of, you remember this thing, a spiral, but I'm going to use a spiral in a S shape. Okay, S shape spiral, like a spiral out, spiral in, just like an infinity sign, guys. And when it comes to the borders, just make a shape and leave it, okay, so that you can continue it later. Don't fret about it, don't worry about it कि अरे ये तो मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया है, क्या हो जाएगा. Now this two spirals I'm going to encompass in one petal. See, it started looking so nice. I love it. I just love any kind of art. I told you now, you need to formulate an interest, you know. So once you are interested in any kind of art, you will, you know, there is no coming back from it. It's just like art will love you, you will love art, and you know, you can be more skillful as well. You can opt it as a career, you can opt it as a hobby, but just keep on doing something in your life, guys, you know, rather than watching TV and other shows. Oh, it will be much more useful. Okay, I'm just filling it up, so I took a marker pen now. Because it is very detailed, you know, guys, it is very detailed. It is different kind of art. Okay, this has come from both monks or both the bhikkhus, which you say, you know, you keep on hearing that Om Mani Padme Hu, Om Mani Padme Hu, that meditative song which I play every time, which I love, of course. Now I will take this marker and just complete this circle. Okay, now for the border lines, again I want to go for the lotus pattern, but the lotus which is not filled. Okay, you can just make the dots out here also, so that it looks more good. Okay, now I will see. Okay, this is my shape, this is my another petal, this is my another petal, and then I'm going to add one more petal. Okay, a half shape, and then again a small shape. Okay, okay, then again near this part. So keep, you know, some space in between, and in that space what we are going to do is, see, voila, this is so nice. Okay, when you will complete this entire circle, it is going to look very much awesome. So again, for any art, don't forget, guys, you are going to sign here. So I'm just signing before itself. It's Praju.